To start trying to draw this to a close by, I suppose, expressing excitement and pleasure in terms of hosting our first CDT conference. This is a big milestone for us. And again, I hope that you've all been suitably invigorated. We have aspirations for this to be an annual event, so hopefully we'll see you next year. Again, I thought I'd try and pick out some highlights. And the first thing that occurred to me is there's clear evidence through all the speakers of, and I was going to say that the energy storage market is exploding, and then as I was writing I thought that's really not the right term to use. It's rapidly developing. Okay? And it's developing across a whole range of different sectors. Obviously we are mainly, in terms of the CDT, interested in the technical aspects of it, but there's also the kind of business commercial sector is expanding. It has to be advances in that, and the regulatory sense as well, to help drive and steer and make sure that we're going to use this energy storage in the correct way. Again, the range of technologies itself, we have seen and heard talks of everything from lithium ion to copper zinc to flow cells, and again the range of applications, although today has mainly been about grid applications. We need to remember, and just as Tim was mentioning, there's an awful lot of work that is going on in terms of looking at some of these technologies for transport applications as well, whether it's vehicles, whether it's air systems, whether it's marine systems, an awful lot going on in that. So again, plenty of scope for nice, interesting research in those application areas as well. And again, it's not a UK issue. Again, today has evidence that this is truly international. We've heard from Bala as well in terms of some of the work that's going on in Canada, obviously from Cumulus, who have activities over in the States. Siemens, obviously, again, global company looking at this for all those different markets. So all these countries are having these same issues. It's a very, hopefully, interesting and exciting time to be in this from a CDT and a research perspective. Now, it is our first CDT conference, so I hope you've had the chance to meet all our students. We now have 32 students, which is impressive, and that's through 3 cohorts. So obviously you heard the 3-minute theses from our first cohort. Our second cohort had their posters there for what the projects they're moving into, and although cohort 3 technically haven't actually started yet, they are here, so welcome. And again, we hope that has encouraged and stimulated your ideas in terms of what you might like to ultimately do as you move into through your training year, which is the first year, and then into your PhD phase of your CDT. Right now, some thanks just to end with, and again, we have to have special thanks to Sharon Brown, which literally, if Sharon hadn't organised this, I don't think Peter and myself would. So thank you very much, Sharon, for organising this, and the Industrial Advisory Board yesterday. And again, finally, just to thank all our speakers, students, some of our Industrial Advisory Board, overseas people as well, and to the attendees who have come along to hear again, the activities of the CDT, hear about the general activities in this area. Thank you very much, and we hope to see you all next year at our second conference. So thank you very much, and safe travel.